So out of the car park and then we turn left. Because here these bay lines different, these are a little bit faded.
I was gonna say that you can't really see them. I think that's why in that small one I can't really see it in that small one that much. Whereas the bigger one I can see it because it's more
visible.
Yeah.
We're gonna turn left here. And then end of this road we turn left. Turn left here. And then roundabout we are turning left. You know where to Morrison?
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's take me then. Let's see your independent driving. Tell me where you're gonna take me. So we turning.
Turning left here.
Okay.
Yeah, I can go. Clear.
We try to go evenly on it, okay? One wheel one side, one other side. And keep the speed hump middle of your car, so a little bit to the left, like this. Good. You don't want to feel it. So if you change your position slightly, you make a big difference. So next roundabout, which way are we going?
Straight on.
Okay. I'm just testing your knowledge. Okay. That's good. Here roads are wider.
Yeah.
Osforth. But their test routes are easy.
Easy, yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead, second exit.
Check on right hand side, it's clear, so there's no reason to stop. And then I'm gonna check